Have you been thinking about performing Umrah this year? Let me show you exactly what you can expect when you join us on the Green Lane Masjid Seerah Umrah tour this November. We'll be departing on Thursday the 19th of November on a direct Saudi Airlines flight to Jeddah. From there, we'll travel together by VIP coach to our hotel in Mecca, the Swiss Hotel Mecca, where we'll be staying until the 24th November. During our stay in Mecca, you will have the opportunity to perform your Umrah, spend your days in the worship at Masjid al-Haram, and benefit from daily reminders and Seerah lessons with one of our Imams, Shaykh Mustafa Abu Rayyan. We'll also have guided Seerah tours, helping bring the Seerah to life as we visit some of the significant places connected to the life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. On the 24th of November, we will travel by VIP coach to Medina and check in to the Ilaf al-Taqwa Hotel, just a short walk from Masjid al-Nabawi, where we'll spend the remainder of our journey until we return home on the 29th November. But your journey actually starts long before we board the plane. Before we travel, we'll be hosting a series of online pre-departure webinars where we'll guide you through everything you need to know. From preparing for Umrah and what to pack, to explaining each stage of the journey and answering your questions, we'll make sure you feel confident, prepared and ready before you even leave the UK. Throughout the trip, our experienced team will be there to support you every step of the way. We'll take care of the travel, accommodation and logistics, allowing you to focus on what matters most: your worship, your connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and making the most of this blessed journey. Places are limited, so if you'd like to join us this November, we'd love to welcome you. Register your place today, and inshallah, we'll see you on this unforgettable Seerah Umrah tour.